What's up, YouTube? Welcome back. I just want to show you guys what I do as a software developer working from home. What I do during the day. So I'm going to quickly walk you through what what goes on during my day. So um, I split my day into two. Either I'm studying a course or I'm doing a project, either on Upwork, People Per Hour, or on Fiverr. So let me quickly show you which the websites that I'm talking about. I'm going to quickly head over to those three websites just to show you how it actually works. And I've got a project coming up now. Okay, so this is Fiverr. So there I've got my account and everything and so on. And basically you can basically this is a website for freelancers. So what whichever niche you are in or whichever skill that you have that you can provide to the community, you can actually advertise this on this website. And like for instance, if you do logo design or if you do graphic designing, web design, UX design, you name it, software development, they've got it all on here. So it's this website. Then there's another one called People Per Hour. And People Per Hour, I haven't really done many projects on here. Yeah, they focused on social media, databases, data science and analysis, programming, coding. Yeah, they've got quite a bit on here, but I haven't done many projects on here. But I think Fiverr and People Per Hour will be coming my. I think I'm going to be doing more projects on these two websites than on this one over here, Upwork. I don't really like Upwork. Upwork is pretty. It's okay, but the problem with Upwork is I see they're not really charging per project. They're charging per hour. So they basically ask you what you want to be paid per hour. So I think I prefer per project. I think that's better for us as freelancers and as because obviously we have to be as productive as possible. We need to be productive, obviously, because otherwise it won't make financial sense to the company. So project-based payment, like for instance, if you're going to go ahead and design a website with a lot of functionality, a lot of JavaScript, a lot of CSS and so on, and a lot of functionality like in comparison to like Amazon, sort of like an Amazon clone, something like that. So relating to divs and drop downs and sidebars and scroll bars and all of that. This is what I'm talking about. So a lot of functionality and making it very user friendly with a great interface, great spacing on the divs, set alignment and color schemes, and throughout the whole website. And if there's a blog page and a thank you page and this page, then you've got like 13, 14 different pages. Now that's a website that requires a lot of hands-on experience and time, expertise, and it needs to be well done. A lot of coding required, and probably eventually in the future also some maintenance, especially if you're doing the back end, you're building pipelines or payment systems or anything like that, routers and so on. And the fact of the matter is a website like that will cost you like a lot more, maybe £1,000. I'm not sure. I'm just estimating. I don't want to overshoot. But I think per hour that project wouldn't make sense because it would take actually so much time, and then it wouldn't be worth it for the person or for the company. So they had to pay per hour for that project. I think it would cost too much. I don't know. Depending on the software developer. So yeah. Okay, those are the 3 websites that I work on, and I do the YouTube part time. The YouTube channel, I'm actually hoping that soon I'll be monetized. I need to hear back from YouTube and see what their decision will be. So yeah, obviously there's a lot of people that want to be YouTubers. Clearly that's the case. So yeah, I think it aligns with my job description, the YouTube channel, and it's great for marketing as well. But I mean, nowadays it is difficult to sell the product when nobody actually has money. So yeah, the best thing you can do is add value to people's lives. That's the best that you can do as much as possible. So if your service is good, and if your, for instance, your courses or your project-based learning is very interactive and user-friendly, and your courses are also very interactive, user-friendly, you beginner-friendly, you start from the get-go, from the bottom. For instance, set up the user, help them set up their workflow, what have you, be in an easy, quick manner. Maybe install all the dependencies and packages for them, and then their workflow will be made mainstream, will be made much easier, and then they can perhaps do their courses, complete their courses. They have to learn by themselves eventually, but I'm just saying as a starting point, or perhaps learn Git first. Yeah, there are many options. Definitely there are many options. But I just wanted to show you guys what I do, and usually early in the mornings I'm busy with my courses, and like I'm busy with some courses on Google Ads on Coursera now. But I've done so many courses already. I've completed courses through Michigan University. I've done Google Analytics certification. I'm also busy with IBM Cloud Engineer. I'm trying that out, see how good it is. I've done CS50. I've got the CS50 right here. I think I still have my files saved, if I'm not mistaken. I'll quickly show you guys. This is my recently designed website. I've got some cells finally in, but I need to improve a lot on my design, and I need to upload my courses, because my courses I haven't uploaded, not even one yet. Yeah, I haven't done enough courses. Okay, it's right here. As you can, this is C programming, this is CS50, and yeah, like I said, I do a lot of coding and courses during the first half of the day. I do mainly courses, and then during the second half of the day I do project builds for clients. I've got a client now from Australia. She's actually a personal friend of mine. She's originally from South Africa, and she wants me to build something sort of like an e-commerce website. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and do that for her. And yeah, so sometimes it gets sticky because I'm still a junior. So yeah, but you know what? I just believe everyone's the same, and you know, if you just go for it, don't hold back, just go for it, and you'll learn. You'll adapt. Just adapt to the situation. Sometimes you need to be molded the right way. Yeah. So yeah, it's up to you guys. I was actually busy with my self-assessment and my national insurance contributions, and also checking out on Fiverr if there's a way I can improve my YouTube's ranking, promote my YouTube channel a bit more. I'm a bit disappointed in my YouTube channel's performance, but maybe I have to make videos that are more exciting, more interactive. I don't know. we're gonna do Project Bolt live. We're gonna do Project Bolt live. I'm telling you now, it's gonna be awesome. You guys are gonna be super pumped, super stoked. So guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.